India today, because after initially Rahul Gandhi alleging that the BJP and the RSS control WhatsApp and Facebook in India, now Congress is demanding a JPC probe, which is the Joint Parliament Committee probe, and Ajay Maken here has said that the JPC should now probe this matter if the WhatsApp and Facebook are indeed helping BJP during electioneering and fanning communal disharmony.
आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ये डिमांड करती है, दो चीजें बड़ी स्पष्ट है। इसी प्रकार से जब एलिगेशन फेसबुक के ऊपर ब्राजील के अंदर, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के अंदर इस प्रकार से जिस वक्त लगा था, तो वहां पर यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के अंदर भी सेनेट के अंदर जो इनके फेसबुक के हेड है, इंटरनेशनल हेड, उनको बुला करके, उनको समन करके उनसे पूछताछ किया गया। आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ये मांग करती है कि इसके लिए जेपीसी को बिठाया जाना चाहिए और ये जॉइंट पार्लियामेंट्री कमेटी इस बात को इन्वेस्टिगेट करे कि क्या फायदे फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप को पहुंचाने के लिए ये कोशिश करी जा रही है।
All right, Anand continues to be with us. So Anand, clearly this is now the Congress pushing the matter further. What could be the procedure here for a joint JPC probe? Because it's usually for very big issues when it literally reaches the government top door. So how do you think this is going to pan out?
Well, yes, there's a entire committee of the Parliamentary Standing Committee for the IT issue, information technology related issues. So clearly, the Congress party will raise this issue in that as well. And also, when the Parliament session gets underway, the Congress party will move a motion demanding a JPC on this issue as well. So these are the two options which are there before the Congress party. And this is not just, one thought which has occurred to the Congress party.
Yes.
Congress party has been flagging this issue, although internally with the Facebook management in US and India as well. We were quoted at least 3 instances when the Congress leaders went to US and met the top executives of the Facebook in US ahead of the general elections last year. And on all the 3 occasions, though they were said that the matter will be looked into, but nothing was done. Again, in April this year, we were told by the Congress party social media cell that he had flagged this issue with the top Indian executives of the Facebook, but again, nothing was done.
Okay.
So clearly, the Congress party says that since the Facebook top management has failed to act, now they're left with no other option but to demand a JPC probe into the matter, because social media is a huge influencer.
Yes.
And social media is being misused by the BJP and its allies to spread hate speech and misinformation in the country.
So, of course, Anand, from what you're telling us here, are we looking perhaps at a big showdown politically coming up, at least on Facebook, WhatsApp, which is used by many citizens across the country? Anand, thank you so much for all the latest on that. So what has happened precisely now in this controversy?